If your Huntington bank account is locked, you can follow these steps to recover access quickly. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process efficiently. Step 1. Gather information. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Visit the Huntington Bank website. Go to the official Huntington Bank website. Look for the login section and find the option for account recovery or assistance for locked accounts. Step 3. Contact customer service. If you cannot unlock your account online, call Huntington Bank's customer service at the number provided on their website. Be prepared to verify your identity by answering security questions. Step 4. Follow instructions. Once you reach a customer service representative, follow their instructions carefully. They may guide you through the steps to unlock your account or provide alternative solutions. Step 5. Change your password. After successfully unlocking your account, it is advisable to change your password to ensure your account's security. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your locked Huntington Bank account efficiently. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.